How to transfer files between phone and PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Folders or Files Manager on your phone. You'll find all the files you want to share. Click on the file you want to share, hold on to it, and you'll find Share option on top right. Simply hold on to it and then click on top right Share option beside Recycle bin. You'll find Nearby Share. Turn on Bluetooth, then go to your PC and turn on Nearby Sharing. You can simply use QR code as well, or you'll simply find your PC in here. After you find your PC, simply click on it and then your file will be sent. This is how to transfer files between phone and PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.